My ninja says hi, and so do I. Today I'm going to make corned beef and cabbage with potatoes and carrots, like I probably made 100 times, and I recorded it so many times, pressure cookers, slow cookers, and the grill and the smoker. But today I'm going to use this Ninja Possible. Is that what it's called? Ninja Possible?
Ninja Possible cooker.
That's a funny name. But I'm going to use it as a slow cooker, and Kathy cut all these up for me. I'm going to use corned beef brisket, flat cut, hand trimmed. And this was $6.99 a pound. That's pretty good, I guess, right? I don't know. Let me cut it open and rinse it off. But first, in the bottom here, I want to put 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water going in. First, I'm going to put my pre-cut carrots in with the water. Next, I'll put in the potatoes. Lovely, easy. Whoop. Stir them up a little bit. Spread them out, nice even surface. Throw in the cabbage. Nice bed of cabbage there. This is all going to shrink. I might put in 2 more cups of water. Let me open that meat, rinse it off. I'll spread this out somewhat. Neatly and completely. This is going to be so delicious. I'm going to put it on low, and then I'm going to go do some stuff, and it's going to cook all day for me. I'm going to love it when it's done, like I always do. Fast side up or down, we can't decide. I'm going to go down because I like to see the top with the spices on. You know these spices? Like them kind? But first I'm going to put in 2 more cups of water. The meat is wet enough for the spices to stick. I'm just showing you this because we're eating it, and it's a good idea for you. St. Patrick's Day is coming up. It's so easy. Any brand of slow cooker you have, or check some of my pressure cooker recipes. And I think it's like 90 minutes in the pressure cooker. This is going to be 6 or 8 hours. You could have it done quicker if you put it on medium or high. I like it slow. And all day, you know. Low and slow is the way to go. I love these things. Brian don't like them. That's okay. You don't have to like them. Put the lid on. Nice lid with a little vent there so I can sniff it all day long without opening it. Still saying hi to us. Slow cook. Low time. 6. Let's go 8 hours, okay? I love that. 8 hours. Start. Thank you. Now remember what it looked like, okay? I'm going to show you when it's done. I can't wait. How about you? Go ahead and get some. Are they on sale now because of the holiday coming?
Not yet. They're
But they will
just
be.
coming out.
Was that a good price or not?
We're going to hope for better later and buy a couple extra for the freezer.
All right. Can't wait. Welcome back. Look, we still have an hour left, but I know it's done. Look at it. It was 7 hours done. We got a lot done while I was cooking. It smells delicious. Remember what it looked like? So we're going to get it out of there. Hopefully it's real tender. I'm going to put it out on a plate, let you see it, slice it against the grain like we're supposed to do. Let's see. Stay together. Ooh. It look a little gray, but it's going to be pink inside. Let's see, the green is that way. We're going to slice it that way. Cabbage dissolved nicely. Look at it. We can make this look fancy. Or not. It smells buttery. I wonder what that smell is. Buttery cabbage, maybe? What else did I have in here? Carrots and potatoes. I forgot. Here they are. A little color in there. Hope you can see it okay, right? Alright, I'm just going to do this so you can see it. how easy it can be a gourmet chef like me. Where's my sharp knife? I do believe I'll go this way. When this is cooked tender, it's so delicious. And see, you cut against the grain and you get nice slices. You can make sandwiches or like we're gonna eat it. Oh yeah. You can slice it real thin for nice little sandwiches like that. Or big chunks for the meat and potatoes. This is a little different than smoking or grilling it. It's so delicious. Yum yum, eat them up. Melts in my mouth. It really does melt in your mouth. Try this in your crock pot or your slow cooker or your pressure cooker. Check my other recipes. Please subscribe. Doesn't it look beautiful?